Hello and welcome back to Pine City Apiary. Today we're going to start a new feature called Shoutout Wednesdays. And what we're going to do is we're going to pick 3 or 4 creators that are subscribed to me, and I want to do a shout out to them. Now they don't know that I'm doing this, so I don't know if you can hear that, but that's Junior at the door. He wants to come in. But yeah, they don't know that I'm going to be doing this. And these are people that are subscribed to me, and I would like to take a moment to call them out. Now, some of these channels have been with me for 2 or 3 years, and some are new. I want to get a chance to share the people that have taken the time and are supporting me, and share them with you. And it'd be great if you could go and let them know that I told you to go check out them. What I'd really like to do is continue. Earlier I had created a series called Meet the Creators, and I kind of fell off of doing that, and I want to try to get back to doing something like that, but not quite like that. So I'm just going to do a weekly shout out. And the first one I want to do is DIY Solar Homestead. Now he's got about 1,200 subscribers, give or take, and he's all about reusable, renewable products. He shows in his videos making solar panels, solar systems on his Michigan homestead. So please give him a look-see, give him a shout out, and let him know that I sent you his way. Also, just so you know, all of these channels, I will put a link to them down below in the description, and I'm also going to try to put an iCard. No, not over there, it's over there. I hate it when it's reversed, but yeah, I'm going to try to put an iCard up here. You can click that iCard, it'll take you right to the channel. Otherwise, if you can't do that, look in the description and check the link there. The second channel that I'd like to shout out is Oh Happy Gardener. Now, they've got just under 1,000 subscribers. They've got 920. So let's see if we can't get them over the hump, get them to that 1K, and let them know that we do watch and we do care. They show basically how-to videos on how to do gardening. So give them a look and be sure to tell them that I sent you there. The third channel that I'd like to shout out is called The Citystead. Now they've got around 1,700 subscribers, so they've already made that 1,000. But it's a good channel, so I'm shouting them out. They do a good job with their content, and they have a family homestead located in the city. So they're kind of like me, where they do their things in an urban environment. And the things that he shows is his garden, of course, food preservation, and he also does beekeeping. So be sure to check him out, and again, be sure to tell him that Pine City Apiary sent you so that you can check out his channel. Now, the last channel that I want to do a shout out to tonight is Virginia H. She's got just over 200 subscribers, and she does mostly live shows. But she is a terrific supporter of many other channels. So again, go ahead and take a look at her page, her channel, subscribe to it, and catch one of her live shows, and be sure to tell her also that Pine City Apiary sent you. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. Thumbs up are super cool, and you too can be super cool if you give me one. If you haven't yet, you should subscribe to this channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means a lot to me, and it means a lot to Josh. Hippie Paul checks in every now and again. It means a lot to him, and we can't forget Junior. That means a lot to Junior. So there he is. See, it means a lot to him. All right, well, thank you very much. Have a great day.